the Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentice Awards 2019, sponsored by JTL.
Right, the Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentice.
The sponsor for the category is JTL, one of the largest work-based learning providers in England and Wales, working with over 3,000 businesses from large corporations to small local suppliers. They train more apprentices than anyone else in the building services engineering sector and are proud to be leading investors in equality, diversity and inclusion. To present the award on behalf of JTL, please can we have John Graham on stage?
Yeah, John Graham.
John's got the script. John's definitely got the script.
John knows what's happening. John is prepared. John, thank you.
John, do you want to take over the rest of the night?
I like that shimmy. Do that again. No, okay, don't do it again. Right.
Okay. The shortlist apprentice nominees are...
The Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentices finalists are Amir Adam of Siemens, Aaron Singh of Steer Automotive Group, Indershot Singh of Bombardier, Jagdeep Singh of Dudley College of Technology, Jasleen Tamba of Bombardier, Raisa Matadar of Jaguar Land Rover, and Shalina Osman of Rolls-Royce.
Now, the judges have reliably informed me that this category was one of the toughest to judge due to the high calibre of candidates that entered. There were numerous discussions around who should win, which ultimately led to there being one winner and two highly commended apprentices. The judges wanted to highlight just how well young Asian girls were performing in the sector and thus chose to highly commend the two following people. Raisa Matadar of JLR and Shalina Osman of Rolls-Royce. Round of applause for both girls, please.
Well done, girls. But there is somebody who will be taking the gong home tonight. John, please tell us who that is, because we haven't a clue.
Thank you. I'm delighted to announce that the Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentice 2019 is Amir Adam from Siemens.
Amir knew he wanted to pursue a career in engineering, and while studying at college carried out research as to what his options would be. He gave both options equal importance when making his decision. After failing his Maths A-level, Amir continued to pursue his dream of becoming an engineer. Siemens were happy to take him on even though he had failed, as they saw the potential that he had.
Wow! See? Whoever wrote this card doesn't want us to enjoy ourselves, bro.
And of course, with that opportunity, he didn't disappoint. Over the past 4 years, Amir has excelled in all areas of his apprenticeship, achieving distinctions in all of his subjects, leading to him completing a 1-year top-up degree course in which he achieved first-class honours. Well done.
Yes. My God. Well done.
Well, that just goes to show that if at first you don't succeed, you try again.